it's me again. So like last time we were studying the new XAMPP security concept. So already they have given a file name here which you have to go using putty. So as we know we are here, so like we'll go cd dash opt cd backslash opt lamp etc extra. Then if you type ls, you can see the same file xampp config here. What the xampp config does, it's like you have to keep your own IP address in order to get the XAMPP. So like go vi, or I can use vim, will be better. httpd xampp config. So as you can see, this is our machine. For this reason we are not allowed to log in, require login. So if we type I for insert, then we'll type require IP, then we type our IP address. So if you don't know how to take out your IP address, it's like that. What's my IP? So I copy my IP address and then insert it here. Then we press escape, then colon, write and quit, WNQ. So it has become. So if you go here now, go. I think we have to restart the server. To restart the server, you have to do sudo dash opt lamp xampp restart. So now if you refresh, sorry guys, my PC is way too fast, so hopefully don't mind. So this is my PHP MyAdmin. Now as you can see, like it is wide open to the public. Anybody who knows your IP can go into your PHP MyAdmin site. So what you need to do is you have to create a user account. So for any I don't want any, and root all privileges yes, edit privileges no. So for this you need to create a user overview no, add a user account. I had a user account, username is root, I keep it as iRoot, host type is localhost, password you give something like so I'm giving a simple password, MySQL authentication. So this is, give it all privileges, then SSL, then go. So I don't want to save this. Now as you refresh, I don't think so you will get anything. Okay, now we have to set up our password to our root user. So how do we set up the password to our root user? Simply have to go, you have to type sudo dash opt lamp xampp security. Can you say yes? Do you want to set a password? Definitely. So you give your password. So you set a password yes. Do you want to be FTP password? Yes. So everything is done. Now again you have to do a restart. Sudo test apt lamp xampp restart. So now if I refresh, so I'll type it as root and my password, so I can log in. So it's not for everybody now, it's for you only. So this is how you set up your LAMP environment in EC2 machine. So see you later on the next video. Thank you guys.